millions of Americans are in limbo tonight, wondering if they will lose health care.
President Trump and Republicans celebrated today after Congress passed a bill to replace the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. The vote was close, 217 to 213, with every Democrat and some Republicans voting no.
The House bill provides tax credits instead of subsidies to buy health insurance, revamps Medicaid funding, and limits the amount the feds can put in.
It repeals subsidies for lower-income Americans, eliminates individual and employer mandates, and ends Medicaid expansion.
The bill also eliminates Obamacare taxes on the wealthy and insurers, and finally, it weakens guaranteed protections for people with pre-existing conditions.
And that's one of the clauses which has a lot of people concerned, even those with employer-provided insurance.
And CBS 2's Randy Paige is live with a closer look at what this bill could mean for Californians. Randy.
That's right, Pat. Rick, California has a whole set of standards the health insurers have to provide in terms of the quality of care, and a bill would not have any impact on that. The real concern, though, has to do with the federal health care dollars, whether they would keep coming to the state, particularly if the bill that passed the House is able to somehow make it through the Senate.
The bill is passed, and without objection, the motion to reconsider is laid upon the table.
As House Republicans promise to make health care more accessible and more affordable,
your premiums, they're going to start to come down.
Consumer watchdog health policy expert Jerry Flanagan says the Republican plan will actually do the opposite.
By encouraging younger and healthy people to sit out of the market, prices will shoot up for those that decide to buy. And there'll be less federal money available to help you purchase coverage.
And Flanagan says medical providers in California think it's a bad idea.
The health insurers hate it, the doctors hate it, the hospital groups hate it, and frankly, the patient groups hate it as well.
I don't think that the House of Representatives heard our plea.
Children's Hospital Los Angeles president and CEO Paul Viviano says there are about 4.5 million people in California who receive medical coverage as a result of Obama's Affordable Care Act, and about a third of them are children.
They'd lose their health care coverage. That would be a bad day for families and for children. The bottom line is less money is going to be forthcoming from the federal government to pay for health care coverage for the needy, the poor, and especially for children.
But House Majority Leader Kevin McCarthy from Bakersfield says, don't forget about the people suffering under Obamacare as health insurers abandon the marketplace.
Every day that goes forward, somebody loses their health care because of Obamacare.
And Kevin McCarthy is talking about states like Iowa, which had just one health insurer in the marketplace, that one insurer getting ready to pull out. California is a much different story. A lot of insurers in the marketplace, many of the younger people are opting in, a much healthier market here. And so you find a lot more criticism about this new bill in California because people are happy with the way things are going here. For example, the governor, as well as the leader of the state Senate today, had very critical things to say about what happened in Washington today. Let's take it back to you.